How to. So this is going to be a pretty brief video, but as you know, I just did my oil change. So we're going to show you how to turn off the oil inspection light and the oil service light. So yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty easy, but I'm just going to bring you along for the ride because I didn't know how to do this before I did it. So you get in your car, and as you can see here, I put it to the ignition bit. And ding, oil service and inspection now. So basically that's because the light is there and they want you to just reset it, because if you come through here, and here we go, service info. So because I've never actually done it, so it's 400 miles over inspection and 9,900 miles over service, even though I've serviced it obviously recently, because you know, and all you've seen the video. So the way that you do this is,
so what you're going to do to reset the service light is hold the set button and turn it to the ignition position. Once you've done that, it should give you a prompt and you just click OK and it should remove the service light.
so this time it will just say inspection now, because we've already reset the service light. So you come out, you want to put your hazard lights on,
and then you want to do the exact same as you did before. So hold the set button and turn it to the ignition position.
So now if we come down here, service info, we've got another 9,400 miles and 20,000 miles apparently until inspection, but that's obviously not going to happen. We'll inspect it more often, and I think I'm going to service it every 7,000 miles. And that concludes today's episode, guys. So very brief how to, but it's something that would really annoy you because it was definitely annoying me. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, subscribe and share, and check out the other videos. We've got tons of Scirocco videos on the channel now. So hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.